Previously on China Motorsports.
Video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a chain slack and a chain lubrication. It's also recommended that this procedure has to be done every 500 miles. So last time that I did mine, I'm going to turn off the fuel pump just so you can see it. And now we're at 2,803. 2,803. So it's due for a chain slack and a chain adjustment. And if you can see it, this is actually a little bit rusty, which is around the medium range of wear. Could get worse than that, which I'm trying to avoid. But first, we jack it up. About here is good. This should be like that. Like that is good. Okay. I'm gonna get the tools. So what we need is a tool. Put it on the other side, since there's gonna be some kind of residue here. So this is what you need. Stainless steel ruler. You need this side. Right? You need this guy for wheel. You need this one to hold. And you need this one to loosen the side adjustments. Okay. First things first, I'm gonna put my gloves on. Gloves are dirty, but it does the trick. Right? You want to measure this. 30 to 40 millimeter. This is where you adjust the chain. See, this is bad. That is way bad. That's right here. Oh, we went to 70 millimeter. That is beyond bad. So let me show you what's happening here. Alright, this one with that. I had this wrench over there to hold. You get the idea. Now these adjusters. One comes out. And this one just slightly holds. The same thing on the other side. Okay. What I like to do before I attempt to do this, I like to check my rings. If I need to lubricate it beforehand. Because once you lube it, if you have any play, it will tell you. Alright. Everybody's working perfect. Well, not solely perfect. So, I can't do an adjustment without properly cleaning it. Because this is hard. Alright, first, clean this area. Clean the top area. Alright. You're gonna need this. You're gonna need these two. Clean up a little bit. Then the bike has to run. I know. You would think that you shouldn't run the bike. Quite the opposite. It has to run. Did a mistake. I should have tightened this thing. Let me just tighten this guy. Because there's something I want to achieve. Okay. This one you clean it with. Okay. We got this going. You can see how dirty it was. There's no way you could have done this with your hand. Now we have to do the opposite. Chain lube. This is the one that you clean with. I mean, you lube it with. Alright. That's enough for that. So now you lube the chain. See how clean it is? Now you have to adjust the slack. So the slack is 30 to 40 millimeter. Alright, it's the same process. That's how you do it. You start from the bottom and you go to the top. Tells me it's almost 50. Turn it again. I checked it again. Alright, it's almost 40. So that means I only need a slight adjustment. Something like this. Okay. This gets adjusted. This gets adjusted. That's 40. That's 40. And that's 40. So that slack is perfect. Alright, first things before I do anything, I have to tighten the wheel. You see how I untighten it. As you tighten the wheel, the slacks may or may not be readjusted. So you have to check constantly. And extend 30 to 40 millimeter. That's 40. That's 35. That's 40. That's perfect. So now you finish tightening it up. That's it. Right? So now this is set. This ain't going nowhere. That's it. That's it. You do that. That's it. Okay. It's hand tight with real men work. Do the other side. And that's it. You can see. Let me show you. That's when the job is finished. That's 40. That's 40. And that's 40. What's up, fellow riders? This is Dave from China Motorsports. First of all, I would like to thank you, the viewers, for watching my videos. You know, it made such a great difference when you guys like and share and comments these videos. You know, every day there'll be more to come. Now, I just launched a website, ChinasMotorsport.com, while our original name is China Motorsports. Now, at the end of this riding season, those of you that have stayed tuned to my channel, you know, faithfully commenting, sharing, and all that, I'll know who you are. You know, when I see your name repeatedly all the time, I'm gonna be giving out one of those winter riding gears. These you see, this is brand new, fresh from the nut house. So I've been using this. Obviously, I'm not gonna give you the one I'm using. I might as well buy you guys one just to give it out. You know, it costs me nothing, even though these are extremely expensive. This is about $150 worth of gloves, and that's just one pair. And these are two different type. So yeah, so stay tuned to my channel, and you might have a chance to win one of them.